The last grammar point that we learn in Lesson 6 are the demonstrative adjectives and pronouns. They're typically taught with shopping, either for food or for clothing, because that's the way we naturally speak when we're comparing things and you say something like, I like this shirt better than that blouse. How much are these apples and those bananas? So it's logical to teach them here. Spanish, of course, has masculine and feminine. And in English, we say this and these, that and those. And notice that Spanish has a whole nother category, far away. It's very relative because Alaska is far away. But if I'm in a store and I'm pointing across the way a little bit to shirts or boots or bananas or whatever, those are far away also. So it's relative. Don't get that turned around, but know that in the direction line in the book and online, it's going to say close to you, near to you, far from you, or simply close, near, far. Okay, so if it's close to you, this and these, they are este, estos, esta, estas, feminine, masculine. If it's near you, it's ese, esos, esa, esas. And if it's far away, aquel, aquellos, aquella, aquellas. Now, those of you who like pattern, which is all of us, we all like pattern, you might wonder, well, why is this este with an E? Why isn't it esto? And why isn't this eso? Because that seems to make more sense. But this is Spanish, after all, and it has to be slightly irregular. But don't forget those O's because they're going to come back to us. All right, here's a little rhyme. It may help you to memorize these. This and these, close to you, have the T's. That and those don't. So if it's close to you, este, estos, esta, estas, this shirt, these shirts have the letter T. Near and far do not. This and these have the T's. Students typically get these two backwards, so you have to find a way to memorize those. So here are some examples in Spanish, shopping for clothing. Estas botas son más bonitas que esas sandalias. ¿Vas a comprar esos guantes o aquellos mitones? No, voy a comprar estas gafas de sol y esas bufandas. Me gusta más esta blusa que ese vestido rojo. Notice how they match the noun that we're modifying. Now these are adjectives because they modify the noun. But look at this sentence in English and let's see if we can see the difference immediately. Do you want this book or that one? I didn't repeat book. So grammatically, the word this is an adjective. And the word that is a pronoun because it has replaced the word book. Now, if I'm in a store and I use my body and I say, do you want this book or that one? I'm either holding it or pointing at it so that the person I'm talking to knows what I'm talking about. So there has to be a context here, right? Okay, so in Spanish, how are we going to differentiate the adjective from the pronoun? And what you do is you write an accent mark over the first E. Now sometimes there's only one E, so that makes it easier. So look at this sentence. Esta blusa es más bonita que esa. I didn't repeat blusa. So this word has to be the pronoun form and it gets the accent mark. ¿Prefieres esos zapatos o aquellos? I didn't repeat zapatos, so it gets the accent mark. All right, those O's, here they are. Spanish has a neuter form. This is something that hasn't come up yet for us. Neuter. Everything has always been feminine or masculine. Well, now we have a neuter form. So what is a neuter? It's something that is abstract. We don't know what it is. It's something that has happened that we don't know what has happened. And it ends in O. Think about an antique store. You're shopping with somebody in an antique store, or in my case, a hardware store, a car part store, things I know nothing about. And I say, what is that? And if I don't know what that is, I can't assign it a gender. I can't say it's feminine or masculine. So that's where this neuter comes in. And here are the neuters. They end in O. And good news, they never go plural and they don't take accent marks. So if I ask, ¿Qué es esto? What is this? I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's feminine or masculine. No accent mark, and it has to end in O. And the person I'm shopping with says, no sé lo que es eso. I don't know what that is. If that person doesn't know what it is, it's still neuter. And I talk to the salesperson and I say, ¿Cuánto cuesta aquello? How much does that thing way over there cost? I don't know what it is, but I want to know the price. All right, so I'm going to practice this out loud with you, talk you through it, so that when you do it by yourselves, you can do it easily. Blank blusas son muy bonitas, and they're close to me. Okay, so blusas, that is my noun. It is feminine plural. It is close to me, so that is estas. Bolsos, blank bolsos son más rojos, that's an O, que blank bolsos. Bolsos, masculine plural, they're near me. Esos bolsos son más rojos que aquellos bolsos. Blank corbata es más cara que blank. My noun is corbata, feminine, it's close to me. Esta corbata es más cara que, I don't repeat anything here, so that means it has to be the pronoun form, esa. Blank traje es muy elegante. Traje. What's the gender of traje? Masculine. It's far away. Aquel traje es muy elegante. Blank dependienta es más alta que blank mujer. Dependienta, feminine singular. Esta dependienta es más alta que blank mujer. Mujer, woman, feminine, near me. ¿Cuál te gusta más? Blank cartera o blank? Okay, close to me, cartera, feminine. Esta cartera o, I don't repeat cartera, so it's that pronoun form, esa. ¿Prefieres blank calcetines or blank medias? Okay, they're close to me, calcetines, that is masculine. Medias, far away, feminine, aquellas. ¿Cuánto cuesta todo blank? How much does all of what cost? What am I talking about? I don't have a noun. I don't have anything here. It's got to be the neuter. ¿Cuánto cuesta todo eso? Singular. Has to be singular. Me gustan más blank pantalones que blank. Pantalones, masculine. Esos pantalones que, not repeating anything, I need the pronoun form, aquellos. And no comprendo blank. I don't understand what. There's nothing listed there, so that's got to be that neuter again, close to me, no comprendo esto.